Sure, baking a cake from scratch is really fun. I mean, you're talking to the owner of a bakery here. But who hasn't reached out to those box cakes? Be honest now. Come on, who hasn't? I'm not judging, believe me. In a not so distant past, I reached for those box cakes all the time. But then I went vegan, and those things usually ask you to add water, oil, and like 3 eggs. Can't do that as a vegan. So how are you supposed to veganize it? Can you veganize it at all? That's what we're finding out on today's Curious Cat Bakery Test Kitchen. We're finding out 3 different ways to veganize a box cake. Let's do this. So the first thing to do is going to be choosing a box cake that's accidentally vegan. You inspect that label carefully, meticulously, and make sure there's no milk in it. It's asking to add 1 cup of water, half a cup of vegetable oil, and 3 eggs. First up, let's do a flax egg. So that's just flax seeds and water. Let it sit for 5 minutes, let it bloom. Yeah, I said flax egg. What I actually meant to say was chia egg. I don't have any flaxseed at home. It's actually just 1 tablespoon of chia seeds and 2 of water. Same thing. Next up we have the just egg. Now the internet says that 3 tablespoons equals 1 egg. So that means 9 tablespoons. Baker, degree in communications and journalism. Yep, had to count that on my hands. It's all good. And finally we have the can of Coke. I'm really excited about this one. See how it works. Just looking at them right now, the chia egg, not a good look. The whole thing stuck to the pan. To cut 1 slice out, it was a feat. The Coke one is looking kind of gray. Also not a great look. So far the just egg looks the best, but it's time for the taste test to find out which one is really the best. Okay, so first up is the chia egg one. As you can see, hot mess looks wise, but let's see taste wise. The thing is just crumbling all over the place. Crunchy. Always something you want in your cake. So this didn't rise as much as the other cakes too. There's nothing you can taste in there, but definitely like, you feel them. Oh, they're there. Next up, it's the just egg. And look at how golden and like nice rise, nice structure. So far, just egg looking good. With the just egg, like it tastes just like the real thing. Like if you told me there were eggs in here, I would leave you. But does it just taste kind of meh? Like, I think this box cake tasted better in my memory than in real life. And now, the one that I'm really excited and actually just curious about, with a can of Coke. Okay, nice rise, so that worked. I mean, the whole thing came together, which is already kind of surprising. This is sweet. It tastes like cake that had like 3 pounds of sugar thrown in there. So chemically it worked. Taste wise, not so much. Yeah, really sweet. So there you go. Today we learned that we can veganize a box cake, but should you? That might be a better question now. I think this might have been a failed experiment, you guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Keep sending me your vegan baking questions or anything else you'd like me to test out and try. I'm here for it. So I'll talk to you soon. Keep baking and stay curious. I feel like this ended on such a sad note, like it just didn't work out. You win some, you lose some, I guess. I mean, that's what happens in the test kitchen, right? You test stuff out. Not everything's gonna work. Yeah, this is really sweet. It's just kind of, it's not great cake, you guys. It's just not great cake.